Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Data. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Apple Watch not charging problem. In more ways than one, charging Apple Watch is a piece of cake. Just securely place the watch on the magnetic charger and then allow it to get powered up with ease. Recently, a good number of users have reported that their Apple Watch is not charging due to unknown reasons. If you have also run into the same problems, these tips will let you resolve the problem. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you have perfectly placed the Apple Watch on the charger. To do this, lift the watch and place it back down. It should snap into place. The Apple Watch charges magnetically, so it won't charge if it doesn't make proper contact with the charging pad. Next up, I will recommend you to check all the connections. Yeah, I'm suggesting you to make sure everything is perfectly plugged in. Cables can become just loose enough to fail to make a connection even if they haven't fallen to the floor. After that, I would suggest you to clean the charger and your Apple Watch. Dirt and debris can keep your device from making a solid connection to the charger. Therefore, you can use a slightly damp washcloth, or if you have stubborn dirt or dampened alcohol pad, so immediately dry the watch with a soft or dry cloth. Next up, I would recommend you to check the codes for damage. A frayed or damaged code or charging disk could keep your Apple Watch from charging correctly. If any part of the charging setup, like disk, block, or cable, is damaged, it's best to replace them with original Apple equipment and try charging again. So try a different outlet or charger and cables. If the culprit is a bad outlet or a bad charging cable, using different ones could solve the problem. On many occasions, you can quickly fix an annoying Apple Watch problem by just force restarting the watch. What makes it so effective is the ability to flush out temporary files, which often works wonders in resolving miscellaneous issues. Therefore, try force restarting your Apple Watch. To do so, press and hold the digital crown and the side button at once until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And finally, I will recommend you to update your Apple Watch, assuming it has enough power to install an update. This could help you fix a software bug that's preventing your Apple Watch from charging. To do so, open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Now select General. After that, tap on Software Update and finally download and install the latest version of watchos, and that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Apple Watch not charging problem. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem and your Apple Watch has started to charge as usual. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Apple Watch tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.